Today, you will learn how to convert a Notepad text file into a PDF for free. Don't worry, it's very easy. Let's start step by step. First, open Notepad on your computer. Now, type any simple text. This text is what we will convert into a PDF. Once your text is ready, look at the top left corner. Click on File. From the menu, click Print. The Print window will open. Now, under the Printer option, select Microsoft Print to PDF. After that, click the Print button. A new window will open asking where to save the file. Choose the location where you want to save your PDF, for example, desktop or documents. Type a file name and then click Save. That's it. Your PDF file is now created. You can go to the saved location, double-click the PDF file, and see your text inside the PDF. So yes, you have successfully learned how to convert a Notepad text file into a PDF for free. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy tech and PDF tutorials. Thanks for watching.